Roll. Yeah, welcome back everybody. Just coming into Crowell. Hey, it's me again, it's that fella from Chesterfield. Yes, you know who I am. But do you know where I am? Crowell. What on earth are we doing in Crowell? Well, got my mate in the mirror there, and it was his idea to come up this way. We've got two little stops planned. I'm going to the first one for breakfast, and the second one just for a cup of tea. And they're only about half an hour apart, these two places. But how long we've been riding now? We've been riding, ooh, crikey, set off 8:30, and it's 10:10. So we've been going about hour and 40 minutes. Yeah, I was just listening to me sat nav in my helmet then. That's why I was pausing, if you wondered what I was doing. Yeah, been going about hour and 40 minutes, and we're heading up to Goole. Yes, we're going to Goole. This is a nice place, look. Nice little square. That's a grand building. We've got wind turbines on the right, and we've got wind turbines on the left, and half of them aren't going. And I don't know if it's right or not, but somebody told me these wind turbines, when they're all going, they create too much energy and the grid can't cope with it, so the government pays them to turn them off. I don't know whether that's true or not, but half of them aren't going. I don't know if you can see that, but all those over there, there's hardly any of them going. Oh dear, I put a dead deer. Well, there's lots of them up here, look. I don't know why they've chosen this area to put so many in one place. Well, there's a lot, heck of a lot. Yeah, we stopped back there for me to just reset my sat nav. I put stop points in to make it come the way I want it to go, and I had to stop. I'd got that much pain in my hands. I've put my heated grips on. Blinking arthritis in my thumb joints it is. Some days it's worse than others, but yeah. Breakfast and ibuprofen is on the agenda, but it doesn't stop me riding. Keep going. Unlike the other week when I had vertigo, crikey, that stopped me riding. It was very, very scary, that was. When it goes on for several days, you think, crikey, am I ever going to get rid of this? And you can't balance, you can't stand up. It's a dreadful feeling. But we're okay now. And moaning never got you anywhere, did it? So you've just got to grin and bear it. Well, look at the colours up here. It's all brown and gold. Everything's as dry as anything. It's one spark and it'd all go up. It really would. And these wildfires are starting everywhere, aren't they? I don't know why they call them wildfires, because there's nothing wild about them. It's people throwing cigarette ends out, lighting barbecues and throwing plastic pop bottles out. I mean, a plastic pop bottle in the wrong place on that there, the sun's rays will magnify through it and just set it alight. People are so careless. And yeah, stupid. But there's no cure for stupid, is there? Well, I don't think they've found one yet. But we've had quite a nice ride up here today. It's lovely and warm. And we've come up through the Isle of Axholme. Yeah, the Isle of Axholme. And it's not an island. I don't know. Why is it called the Isle of Axholme? I don't know. Maybe it's cut off by rivers or something, the area, I don't know. But yes, it's called the Isle of Axholme. Maybe somebody out there knows the history of that. Now then, what's this little place we're coming into here? We've got to turn left. Traffic under signal control. So we're coming out in the middle of a set of traffic lights. Yeah, we are. And we've made it. Yeah, we've tried to come up through some little villages, but it's not a really scenic part of the country up here. I'm not saying it's not nice, everywhere's got its nice bits, hasn't it? But yeah, it's different. It's different. And it's good to explore these, like I say, the unpopular places. You know, everybody goes to the hot spots, don't they? But not me and my mate will go anywhere for a breakfast and a cup of tea. Yeah, brew and a chew. And we're going to Goole today, and we're going to sit by the side of a marina. And this is one that was recommended to me by a subscriber. So let's see what it's going to be like, eh? Look at the wind turbines, they're everywhere. Loads of them up here. Or am I going round looking at the same ones? I don't think so. There's lots up here. Old Goole. Excuse me. Old Goole. It's been an important area, Goole has, for, well, ever since ships were invented, I think. Yeah, Goole docks. and it's a marina we're going to, like I say, and we're not too far away now. We've been following these lorries for the last 2 or 3 miles, but they've not been holding us up. They're not taking any prisoners, these lads. They've been cracking on. Yeah, lorries have improved a lot over the years. Used to dread getting stuck behind a lorry or a caravan, but not anymore. They've got that powerful an engine now, these new HGVs. They don't hold you up really. Not like the old fashioned things that we used to have. The old Fodens and ERFs and things back in the day, with the old Gardner engines in that were designed for canal boats. Now then, just over this bridge and turn left. That's it. Down there, that's where we're going. I'm not sure about the parking here because, well, on the internet I saw a picture of a motorbike parked up, but you can't sort of see in properly on Google Maps to see you know, what the arrangement is. But I think we'll be alright. I think it's behind this green fence in here somewhere. Oh, that's a speed hump. I didn't see that coming. There's the marina, look. There's some boats, crikey. I think we're turning in here. Now then, where is it? Coffee dock, that way it says. There we are. This is it. And there's a motorbike. Well, a scooter. That'll do. Can you get here, mate? How's that? We'll have a brew and a chew. Okay folks, so yes, we had a lovely stop at the coffee dock in Goole, and while we were there we went next door because there was an auction, a motorcycle auction, so that was a bit of a bonus. But I got a few pictures of the bikes, as you can see, but then we went on to the monkey pot and I lost the footage. Well, I didn't lose the footage, I lost the audio. The blinking microphone packed in, and these mics aren't cheap, but they love breaking down on you. Yeah, so Anyway, I've got another mic now, but sadly I lost the audio on the way up to the monkey pot, so there's just a lot of wind whistling and nothing much happening on that, so I'm going to call it a day at this, folks. We're on our way home now in this footage, and hopefully you've enjoyed this little bit, but you want to try that coffee dock at Goole. It is a really nice little place, and if you're a biker, definitely go to the monkey pot. You will like it. Okay folks, so that's all from me, and it's all from my mate now, so bye bye, ta ta, ta ta.